Unbeatable suction versus any shark robot vacuum for pickup of large and small debris, as well as pet hair on carpets and hard floors. Self-cleaning brushroll removes pet hair and long hair from the brushroll as it cleans, no more hair wrap. Schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Total home mapping with Room Select maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean right now. Methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. Top reviews from the United States. I have used Sharky, my name for this, 2 times now. I have a large home 2,000 square feet. My little robot went in a planned pattern cleaning every inch of flooring along the way. I have a very thick plush shag 9x12 rug with a pad under it. I was afraid that Sharky would not be able to clean it. Boy was I wrong, this little shark climbed right up on it and cleaning every inch. Very impressive, it goes around chair legs, under our couch getting all of the dust bunnies. I thought my hardwood would not be as clean as this gets it. I love my shark robot. It also has a large dustbin, surprising to see what all collects from the rugs by the front and back doors. So glad that I went with a shark.